In today's fast-paced world, achieving success can seem like a distant dream. We all yearn for a fulfilling life, but sometimes we just need a little guidance. What if there was a way to turn things around in just 6 months? Imagine waking up every morning feeling inspired, motivated, and ready to take on the day. Picture yourself achieving your goals and living a life that you're truly proud of. It might sound like a fantasy, but it's actually within your reach. There are 3 simple habits that you can start today that will change your life in 6 months. Habit 1, eliminate negative thinking. Our thoughts have a profound impact on our lives. They shape our beliefs, influence our actions, and ultimately determine our success or failure. When we fill our minds with negativity, we create a barrier between ourselves and our dreams. But when we choose to eliminate negative thinking, we open the door to a world of possibilities. Imagine a young entrepreneur who wants to start a successful business. He has a great idea and is full of enthusiasm, but he's constantly plagued by doubts. I can't do it. I'm not good enough. I don't have any money. These negative thoughts become a self-fulfilling prophecy. He never takes action because he's convinced he doesn't have what it takes to succeed. But here's the thing. His negative thoughts are just that, thoughts. They're not facts. They don't define who he is or what he's capable of achieving. By choosing to eliminate negative thinking, he can break free from the shackles that have been holding him back. Instead of focusing on what he can't do, he shifts his attention to what he can do. He starts taking small steps towards his goal. And with each step, his confidence grows. Before long, he's well on his way to building a successful business. To cultivate a positive mindset, practice gratitude daily. Appreciate the good things in your life and focus on the solutions rather than the problems. As you start to see the world in a more positive light, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Habit 2, stop wasting time. Time is our most valuable resource. It's the one thing we all have in common, and yet we often take it for granted. We waste hours scrolling through social media, watching mindless TV shows, or hanging out with people who don't value our time. But when we stop wasting time and start using it wisely, we can accomplish incredible things. Imagine a student who has the potential to excel academically, but he spends his days playing video games and hanging out at the mall. He's not intentionally wasting time, but he's missing out on the opportunity to pursue his dreams. When he decides to stop wasting time and focus on his studies, he realizes that he's much smarter than he thought he was. With renewed purpose, he hits the books and starts getting straight A's. He graduates with honors and lands a job at a prestigious company, all because he stopped wasting time and started investing in himself. To stop wasting time, set clear goals and priorities. Make a plan and stick to it. Learn to say no to distractions and focus on what's important. Every moment is precious. Don't waste it. Habit 3. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison is the thief of joy. When we compare ourselves to others, we're essentially saying that our own life and achievements are somehow inferior to theirs. We start to feel envious of their success and discontent with our own lives. But when we stop comparing ourselves to others, we can appreciate the unique journey that we're on. Imagine a musician who spends years honing his craft, but he's always comparing himself to famous musicians like Ed Sheeran or Taylor Swift. He feels like he's not good enough and becomes discouraged. One day he decides to stop comparing himself to these superstars and focus on his own music. He starts playing gigs around town and eventually gets signed to a major label. All because he stopped comparing himself to others and started embracing his unique sound. To stop comparing yourself to others, remember that everyone's journey is different. Celebrate your own achievements and be grateful for what you have. Focus on your own goals and values and don't let the opinions of others hold you back. Conclusion: cultivating these 3 simple habits in your life can truly be a game changer. Eliminating negative thinking, stopping wasting time, and refraining from comparing yourself to others or habits. that will help you unlock your full potential. Embrace these habits and watch as they become the stepping stones to success. Remember, it's the small changes that make the biggest difference. Start today, and in 6 months, you'll be amazed at the progress you've made. Success is within your reach. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep striving for greatness.